Hello and welcome. Today in this video I am going to show you how we are going to use Key Influencers visual of Power BI. This visual is an AI powered analytical tool which helps the user to understand the driver behind any specific metrics. Key Influencers is using machine learning technique to find out which factor has got most significant impact on any dependent variable, and it helps us to make a very powerful assets for diagnostic analytics. Take one example, like in this data set we have got sales and profit, which we can consider as dependent variables. Now if I would like to understand on our sales which are the different variables which are impacting, using Key Influencers visual of Power BI, very easily we will be able to understand it. So how does it works? Basically Key Influencers in the background use ML techniques, and it tries to find out which variables has got high correlation, and based on those techniques it is able to tell us that how the given set of variables are impacting. So let us jump to Power BI and we will see how we can work on it. In the visuals, if you go, this specific visual is known as Key Influencers. So let us click on it and you can see the empty Key Influencers visual is present in our Power BI report canvas. Now I want to analyze sales. So whatever we want to analyze, we are going to put it in analyze section and explain by. It means sales is impacted by which variables. So here we can put multiple variables which we are thinking is impacting sales, and in the background the AI powered analytical tools automatically tries to find out which has got high correlation sales and which variable has got high correlations, and automatically it will create the Key Influencers variable set for us. So let us see. Here I am going to put sales. So let us go to sales and put it into analyze. So Key Influencers sales, and whether I want to find out increase in the sales or decrease in the sales. So which one is going to be impacted, like increase in the sales is going to be impacted by which of the factors, which of the variables, and decrease in the sales also we can find out is going to be impacted by which of the variables. Now explained by, so here it is there. Now explained by, so I'm going to put multiple variables over here. So I want to take subcategory, whether sales is impacted by subcategory or not. Then I'm going to take location wise, whether it is going to be get impacted or not. Ship mode, whether that is impacting or not. I'm going to take region, whether that is impacting it or not. Product name and customer. So I'm taking product name also and customers. Now it is running it in the background and giving us the output. Now here we can see subcategory in tables. So the highest influencing variable is subcategory, and in subcategory is also tables. So what influences sales to increase? So sales is increased due to tables. So table has got highest influence on it, and if you take your cursor on it, it will tell you what is happening. So it is telling when subcategory is tables, the average sales is 432.75 units higher compared to all other values of subcategories. These influencer contains approximately 3.19% of the data. That's about table. Now subcategory, another is chairs. This is also given. This is 432.7. This is talking about 322.4. If you click on this, it is telling when subcategory is chair, average sales is 322.38 units higher, and so on. So here increase is determined by subcategory for these different product. Subcategory in table, that is the highest sales we are getting due to this. Subcategory in the chair is next highest. Subcategory in the books, and subcategories in the phones. So these four different values are giving us highest sales. Next, we would like to understand why the sales is decreasing. If it is decreasing, what is the reason? And let us check it whether it is able to find something or not. And it tells that sales, again subcategory is the highest impacting variable on the sales. So subcategory in fasteners, it is telling due to this 220 units lower we are getting sales. So when subcategory is fasteners, the average sales is 220.71 units lower compared to other values of the subcategory, and this is influencing what? This is approximately 2.17% of the data. Next is subcategory in the art. This is 212.7 units lower, and so on. So using key influencers in visual, we will be able to understand how my dependent variable is going to be impacted and by which variable. So it tries to find out correlation, and very easily it is able to tell us that what is happening behind our data, and AI power tool. So very easily through it we will be able to understand, which is otherwise very difficult to get in. Thank you. We are going to meet very soon in the next video.